Triple Vibes Radio, haters are free. Wanna be like we, fans them a cheer for Triple Vibes Radio.
I said, when you up, you gotta hold it down. And if you out there, you better know the town. Cause it's killers in the queues, they say word to L. Fuck a hater when you shoot, tell them burn in hell. Can't be salty, what that do to snails? I keep telling myself I know I worth some M's. Without the purse, perk lean, and circle deals. These niggas out of that machine, that's Urkel crib. God flow, let me take them to church again. I'm in the booth. Let me put all these verses in, trying to make it out to where the family gotta work again. Trying to move them out from where the rats and the roaches live. Remember days sleeping in the trap where the toasters is. Remember days couldn't get no sleep cause the phone would click. I'm so dope as shit, and that loud dope and shit. I ate good, but I need on some Kobe shit.
So me I say yo, Shot Block.
Let's get it, man. You already know what it is, man. TriplevibesRadio, we here, man. You see right here, Fro knocked the lights out on us right now. You know what I mean? So what's up, man, my brother? Once again, thank you for coming through. Man, yo, you know what I mean? Don't go nowhere. I just want to say this, we're gonna do this again. So you know what I mean? We're gonna get the whole, you know what I mean? We're gonna get the whole slot. You know what I mean? Just today was just a packed day. You know what I mean? So I'm just definitely trying.
And I'm gonna come back with new heat.
Oh yeah.
Gummo freestyle.
Oh man, that guy. We was just talking about that guy earlier, man. So it's all good.